What's going on, everyone? My name is Brian, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make money. Make over $1,000 a day with free AI tools that will help you automate your sales on products that you don't even have to fulfill. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff that takes you through step by step everything you need to get going, start earning money with AI and ChatGPT and a few other tools. And again, all of this is 100% free. And you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere around the world. So inside this video, I'm gonna show you the roadmap that will show you everything you need to do in checklist format. We're gonna show you step by step how to do this. Okay. So you're also gonna be getting a bunch of pre-made videos, pre-made content that has already been built for you. So all you have to do is change it up a little bit and post it on social media. And I'm gonna give you a long list of videos that you can start replicating and post on social media. And I'm going to give you some pre-made, pre-written emails that you can start sending out and use these different tools and a ton of other stuff, including a free AI tool that will allow you to send emails automatically and follow up. And you can also build landing pages and websites and do follow-up and AI automations, all that good stuff. If you want to comment below, like and subscribe, I will send you the link so you can check it out and possibly get started. And all this is 100% for free. All you have to do is to get access is drop a comment below, like it, and subscribe, of course, and I will send you access right now. So go ahead, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and we'll show you how this works. So the first off, you get this course for free. It's going to show you how to make money step by step for free, and then you get going. We have this course. It's, like I said, step by step. We have the weeks stepped out. We give you this checklist right here. You can actually book a call with me, and I'll basically spend about 45 minutes with you, show you how to get started and all that good stuff. We have a Zoom every Monday at 1 o'clock. We also have one coming up on Sunday. We have a Discord group. We have a Go High Level snapshot that we can give you. We'll give it to you for free. It has everything in there that you need. It has funnels, websites, automations, follow-ups, emails, pre-written emails, all that good stuff. We have automation testimonials and a whole lot more. So it's all in here. You can check it out. So then we have the tools. You can even mark it as in progress, done, not started, started, maybe later. So we have the tools that you're going to need to use. We have Go High Level. You have Radar, which is really cool. It's basically a social media posting tool. So what you do is you put all your social media channels in there, and it'll post them. It'll push them out to them for you, so you can save a ton of time. Then ManyChat, all these tools, you'll want to get these over time. Canva, all that good stuff, Loom, CapCut, OBS, all this good stuff. You want to use, like I said, you want to get over time. But if you want to start making money, you just need a few of these to get started, like either Loom or OBS, and then maybe Radar, Go High Level, and that's about it. Then you can get the rest of these over time. Like 11 Labs is really cool. It'll actually do voiceover AI videos for you. So we're actually providing long form and short form videos for you, email follow-ups, live streams, and stuff like that. So these are the tools, the channels that you're going to want to do right away. You're going to want to do a YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So these four you want to do right away to get started making money. You want to be posting at least 2 or 3 of these a day. At least, once a day at minimum, 5, 6 days a week. If you can do more, that's cool. If not, well, just focus on these 4. And then over time, you want to do more, like Threads, Facebook, Discord, X, Google My Business, Pinterest, Snapchat, LinkedIn. So you want to get all these going, get at least the first 4 going right now, and then you can start making money. I'd say focus on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok right away. If you're into Facebook, go for it. And then you can start posting. We give you the content. and you can go from there. So we also give you websites. We give you sub accounts. We show you how to do that. We show you how to create home pages and funnels, thank you pages. We can show you how to do blogs, all that good stuff. We can show you how to do follow-up emails. Basically has a 60-day follow-up sequence for you to get more customers, sell more products, sell more affiliate products. And the good thing is, like I said, you don't even have to fulfill them. We have even a phone service that you can be a part of. Phone service, Radar, which is really cool, CapCut, Phantom Buster, Shinify, all that good stuff. And then, so down here is the content. So we give you emails. These are all the emails that we provide for you. You can include them in the system. Basically, we have a follow-up system that you can use. It's GHL. And then we have Instagram Reels that you can use. These are pre-made done content. So what you got to do is just basically change up the music and you can use it and go from there. We have some long form content you can also use. You can basically copy these, change up the music, and use it as an original content if you change up the music. So you can use CapCut to do that. You use CapCut, you select out the voice that's already in there and just change up the music, and then it's basically an original content again. So we show you how to do that, show you how to get customers, get some traffic to your channels, and then go from there. We give you some Instagram images. So you can use all these. And then we have a list of influencers, 400 tools you can use. So we're giving you all this for free. The one tool you will need is Go High Level. That's the one tool you will need. And Radar is pretty useful. And then, of course, we have some AI tools that are pretty useful as well. So there's Jasper and ChatGPT, Copy AI, all that good stuff. You can use the free services or use the paid ones, either way. So all this is here for you. You can get these tools. And then we have some AI video tools, which are pretty cool. Opus, which does shorts and provides B-roll for you, B-roll and B content. And it also does anyways, it'll help you build out shorts. So we have all these cool things here, more tools, but don't get overwhelmed. You can do these over time. What you want to do is start by just doing one piece of content a day, and then build up your income, build up your customers, build up your traffic, and then you can get all these tools later on when you have more stuff going on. And then as you build up some websites, you can use these SEO tools basically to get organic traffic. And then the list goes on and on. We have some more tools here. And then we have our old checklist. So this is our newest list. So we have our free course. It's pretty good. It'll show you how to get started step by step and go from there. And then we have your import snapshot. We'll show you how to do the snapshot. That's in GHL. We have emails that are, like I said, pre-written for you. They're follow-up emails, so you can it'll help you get customers to buy and help you make money. And then, like I said, long form and short form content. We have old reels. These are tons of content here that you can use to start making money. Okay. So this is Radar you can use. And then we have this is our step-by-step checklist. And once again, you can book a call with me and you can get going. I'll have this in the description, this link. But the main thing to get started, you'll have to get the snapshot for GHL, which is right here. Everything else is free. So let me show you that real quick. Then we can go from there. So like this is one of our funnels. Basically, the last traffic generation strategy you will ever need. So we're going to show you how to build out this funnel. It has buttons. It's going to go to a form page. It has a pop-up, which is right here. This is what you guys are going to use to put in your name. So I can give you give you the information. And then so basically we give you all these funnels, all these websites. We have funnels and websites. We have automations, marketing. We have the phone service, calendar, all this stuff. This is GHL. This is free for 14 days. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it and you want to quit, go for it. But we want to help you make money. So hopefully you can like it and then go from there. But like I use all these all the time. I've been using GHL for the last 4 years. So it's been great. I use it for all my websites, all my tools. It has automations, sites, marketing, all that good stuff. If you want to make money online, you want to kill it online, this is the tool to have. So once again, it has a 14-day trial. We're giving you all the funnels, all the websites, everything you need to get started, basically. We have lots of funnels here, lots of tools. And then if you need help setting up, I'll help you get going, get set up. So we have the phone app. People can text you, they can call you. We have a SaaS product where you can actually build a course or have SaaS subscribers. Like if you want to go to local businesses and like do Google My Business, like go to like, let's say landscaping companies or let's say hairdressers. They need this, like haircutters, barbershops. Like we have what's called a no-call text back. Like let's say they don't answer the phone because they're cutting someone's hair. Well, we have a what's called no-call text back. I'll just show you real quick. It is in the profile. And down here, if you don't answer the phone, the system will actually text back the person that called in, and it'll say something like, you can say, sorry, I was helping someone else. I was cutting hair or mowing a lawn. Or like I have some tree guys. So you could say, I was in a tree. Can I call you back? And then that's what it's going to say to the person that calls in. So it's going to say that. See, it's called missed call text back. And it's going to say that to the person that calls in. And that's how you save a call. Because a lot of people lose business because they can't answer the phone. So that's just one thing you could do to make money. You know, you could sell that for $50 to $100 a month. Just that one thing right there. So if you want to join, like I said, that's a 14-day trial. You can join, you can try it out. This tool is amazing. It's called Go High Level. It does a whole bunch of things. But the main thing is we start with the course. Course is right here. It's actually, we have a bunch of recordings, replays. It's definitely worth it. We teach you step-by-step how to get started, making money online, and go from there. Start your affiliate journey, you know, having your first trial and customers, getting some content on TikTok, Instagram, and Reels, having evergreen content to generate trials over and over again, getting people to, you know, start their own affiliate journey. And you could do this with AI. So like I do ChatGPT all the time. I just created a really cool, see, they have all these tools now that are coming online. Every week they have new stuff. You can do copywriter, you can do ads, copywriter for marketing and ads. You can do AI for all this stuff. So we show you how to use that. It has Canva in here, all this good stuff. You know, AI, the tool, you can also use the phone app for ChatGPT, and it can give you ideas, all that good stuff. You know, the phone app is $20 a month. ChatGPT, oh yeah. Well, it depends on how much you use it. If you don't use it very much, it's basically free. It's cheap. So it has all these tools. And then the next thing you would need is just Canva. But basically, we give it to you for free. We give you all the tools you need to get started. It's all right here. We give you the checklist. We give you the snapshots. We update them all the time. So snapshots are what go high level. That's your websites, your tools, your funnels, your automations, your follow-up campaigns, your emails. and like I said, your websites and funnels, all that good stuff. So yeah, you want to give it a try and get started. You know, there's a guy named Alex, and he just got started. He's making money, and a lot of people are making money at this all the time. You know, you get started and you build this up over time. Build it up from $100 a day to $1,000 a day. You can do that really quick. You can do it in your first 30 days. Most people do it pretty quick. And then from $1,000 a day, well, you can do, you know, anywhere from $5,000 to $30,000 a month. If you're consistent, $1,000 a day, that's $30,000 a month. But it doesn't always go that way. We all know that. It doesn't always go like that. So let's say you do 1,000. So let's say it's $1,000 a day for, let's say 15 days. Hey, that's still $15,000. That's pretty good. That's better than most jobs out there. So I don't know any job that's going to pay me $15,000 a month. Anyways, so yeah, you know, I've been using, like I said, Go High 11, and I just started using AI this year. It's amazing. It's amazing what it does. It can do a whole bunch of things for you. So anyways, I'd love to see you on the other side. Fill out that form, and I'll give you all this information and help you get started. Thanks. Have a great day.